Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Phillip Pauwell missing baby mother and 10-month-old daughter, Soraya. There has been an update as of 14 hours ago, and I'm sourcing this from Nationwide Radio. It says there is a major development in the case of MP Phillip Pauwell's missing daughter and her mother. A person whom the police believe can help in their investigation was removed from an aircraft at one of the island's two international airports as that person attempted to leave the island this afternoon. Radio Jamaica news source indicate that the individual was questioned about last Saturday's disappearance of 10-month-old Soraya Pauwell and her mother, 27-year-old Tashana Patterson. Sources say the police are making good progress in their investigation of the missing mother and child. Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for Kingston East and Port Royal, Phillip Pauwell, earlier issued a statement on the disappearance of his daughter and the child's mother. The woman and child have been missing since last Saturday when they left their Gilmore Drive home in Kingston 20. In a statement on social media, MP described last week as horrific. He said he has dealt with many things in his life, but the disappearance of his child and her mother is by far the most difficult thing I have ever had to navigate. He said he has spent most of his time in dialogue with the police and persons he believed could assist in locating them, but at this point, nothing has brought them closer to finding the two. Mr. Powell said he is not concerned with various theories circulating on social media and is pleading with anyone who knows of their whereabouts to contact the authorities, family members, or him. So that is the latest update on Soraya and her mom, the cousin of Soraya. The cousin of the mom actually said it was a orange vehicle and she could not see who was in it because the vehicle was tinted, and that's when they disappeared. She took the baby out to show the individual, and they have not been seen or heard from since. I honestly think this whole case is weird. Anytime people go missing in Jamaica, the way that these cases are handled and the way that the media are giving updates and stuff is always weird to me, because if you guys know anything about murders or missing persons, the first 24 hours to 48 hours are the most crucial, and when you need all hands on deck, all boots on the ground. And I don't think that they did this in this case, because the first person that blew the horn of her actually being missing was her cousin. And then Phillip Pauwell went to the police. I think it was 24 to 48 hours after she was actually missing. So with that being said, I'm going to leave this video here. I'm not going to say much because I don't have enough information. What I want to know and what I would like them to update us on is who the person is that they took off the airplane. How are they connected to Phillip Pauwell or the baby mother or the daughter? Why they took them off the plane? Because what information they got to say that they needed to take them off. Phillip is saying he's not worried about what people are saying on social media and the theories that people are coming up with, and I think he needs to be concerned because he is a public servant, he is a politician, and the people are who put him in the position that he is in. So if they no longer trust you or feel like you did something to this lady and your daughter, then you won't hold the same position that you did right now. But hey, Jamaica is based on classism, nepotism, and a whole bunch of corruption. So he may know something that we don't, and that's why he don't care what the public have to say about this whole case. But with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. I hope they find her. I hope they find the mom. I hope they're safe and sound. 7 days missing in Jamaica. I will say, after doing this for a very long time, it's not a good look. But like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.